The skill gap is never what it seems. What I mean by this is when you diagnose a problem in your business, especially when you're new, it's usually never that problem, right? When you're thinking, oh yeah, this is the problem, it's really helpful to get somebody who's further advanced, more advanced than you, to look at the problem and let you know if that's actually the problem. Because most of the time it's not. It's usually like 1 or 2 layers deeper than that, right? So for example, I'll look at a problem, or I'll look at a student's book or somebody's book and be like, yeah, I think my cover sucks. I don't think my cover's good enough. And they've put all this effort into their cover and they're in a niche that nobody cares about. So I'm like, no, it's not your cover. It's like your whole topic sucks. Like your topic has no demand. This book will never succeed. So don't change your cover, start over from zero and find a new niche. And it really helps having an experienced person break that down for you. And like, that's why there's so many groups available, like on School. I don't know if there's Facebook publishing groups still, but that's why these groups are so helpful, because you can go in there and there's people from all levels, right? The people who make the most money don't post in there. They'll just comment, FYI. But if you post, you're like, hey, I'm thinking my issue is this. Could I get some feedback from some higher level publishers? Bro, so many of them will help you out. So many of them will give you feedback. It's not even funny. So use that, because then when you can figure out what's the exact problem, you can solve that one thing that's actually gonna work. Could you imagine if you were solving the cover issue when it was really that your topic had no demand? How many months and money are you gonna be burning through when the book has no chance because the topic is horrible?